Well, hello, and welcome to both Restaurant Management 201 and Restaurant Management 301 workshops. My name is Darren Dennington from Service with Style.
And I am Allison Ann with Restaurant Revolution. We are going to be your workshop instructors coming up, whether you are joining us at the California, Florida, New York, or now the Carolinas restaurant shows. We are excited to work with you on restaurant operations and growth. If you're joining us for Restaurant Management 201, we're going to be covering 10 mastermind topics that are designed to have you have smooth daily restaurant operations, really so that the restaurant more runs itself and you as a management team can start to focus on long-term planning and growth. If you're coming in for Restaurant Management 301, we assume that you already have smooth operations in place in your restaurant and you are ready for explosive growth, whether that means a new head office, multiple new locations, a new business arm, or building business value with an exit strategy in mind eventually.
During the workshop, we genuinely want to challenge you with where you're going. Where's the business going? Where's your career going? And we want to help you put in a plan and identify your priorities along with actionable steps to help get you there. And just like we want to help you plan a successful future, we want to help you plan a successful workshop, which is why we're talking to you today. The idea built around Restaurant Management 201 and 301 that is the key ingredient to the success of the restaurant, both Allison and I genuinely believe, is leadership. And when you have a core leadership team in place, you can then strive to build a stronger business. So we want to help you with that first foundational piece so that you can get some balance in your life and you can be able to work on the top priorities of where your restaurant is going.
And before you can have a strong leadership team foundation in place, you need to have a strong personal leadership foundation in place. So be looking at where you might know you have some gaps to fill in terms of your habits, your goals as a person and as a leader in the restaurant.
During the workshop, we will be passing on, going through a lot of information. There's a lot to cover. It's a 3.5-hour workshop. And we suggest that you get there early and be genuinely ready to explore the opportunities that we're going to put in front of you. You'll be receiving a few emails from us, one guiding you to the convention center and exactly where to go, and then one after the workshop with our forms and files package.
Now, the forms and files package is just one of the many things that are included in the workshop beyond just 3.5 hours of information. You're going to get a workbook that's going to allow you to follow along with us as we go and take down your personal path to growth and success. There will be a goodie bag with coupons and snacks in there. As Darren said, you're going to get your master's forms and files so that you aren't starting from scratch. You'll have lots of templates that you can put in place. And of course, we will be giving you the slides at the end of the workshop, plus some door prizes just for a little bit of fun.
Now, going into the workshop, again, we challenge you to look at where you are as a leadership team. The perfect scenario is for your managers to meet ahead of the workshop and go through these 7 different categories of where you genuinely are. How is your communications? Where are you on your financials? Does your marketing need some extra effort? And if you can identify some of these priorities beforehand coming into the workshop, you're going to be off to the races.
Once you've identified where you might be missing important systems in place in your restaurant, we do want you to sit down and discuss to look at where the biggest impact might come if you were to really get those systems handled, because we are going to be giving you step-by-step actions that you can take in order to really put new systems in place or to replace the systems that you have right now that aren't working. So come knowing what projects you want to work on and what the challenges are that you're having with those projects. The day of the workshop, we really ask that you bring an open mind. Come prepared to take notes, to really pay attention, to know what your challenges are and what you think you need in place in order to fix them. And then we will be there in order to give you tons of ideas and tons of steps to follow in order to overcome those challenges. However, we don't want you to be spinning constantly. So get there early, clear your mind, and be ready to ask us questions after the workshop.
The workshops have been designed in conjunction with these amazing restaurant shows. The idea is to come and learn, sit in the workshop, challenge your business on where it's going, and then visit the show floor for wonderful ideas on food and trends and software that can help you really progress. So we look forward to seeing you at the trade shows, and Allison, look forward to seeing you soon also.
You as well, Darren. We'll see you soon.